Hi, in this video we are going to deploy the application created before in my previous video using the PSADT. This is the continuation of my previous video. If you want, you can go and watch the previous video, which is number 2. This is number 3. This is where I left off in my previous video, and I'm going to minimize this control panel, and I'm going to minimize this debug window. And this is my script, which is invoke app deploy toolkit. We saved it. Okay, so basically we are going to package this using the SCCM. Okay, this is my SCCM console. So I'm on my application here, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new application. This is the settings for this application. I'm going to use this one, manually specify the application information, and then I'm going to give a name, and the name is install FileZilla using PSADT. The publisher is Temcos. The software version is 3.69.3. You need to click on next, and then you can select the icon here. I already selected the icon from my desktop. I went to desktop and I selected the FileZilla PNG, and then you need to click next. And then once you come to this place, this is the deployment type. Here you need to click on add. Once you click on add, you need to select manually specify deployment type information, and then you need to give it a name here, general information, and install FileZilla, and then click next. The content location is nothing but where the EXE file exists. So basically this is the source file and application FileZilla, and then here this is where the EXE file exists. So I'm going to take the UNC path. SCCM is my the host name, the computer name, the server name. The install program, we can get it from the PowerShell ISC here. If you go here, that this is the invoke dash app deploy toolkit.exe install is the this is the one we're going to copy. This is the install program, and then the uninstall program is we have to put uninstall here. We have to click next here, and this is the detection method. You need to click on add class, and then you need to select the setting type is file system, and then file, and then the browse path, and then the computer, C drive, and then FileZilla. Okay, program files, FileZilla FTP client, and then this is the one. What it does is, before it installing, it checks whether the application installed or not. This is basically checks, and if it is installed, it will not install. Otherwise, it will install. That's about it. The detection system. I click on next, and then install for system. Always select the install for system, and then I'm selecting whether or not a user is logged on. And then the installation program visibility is hidden, and this I'm going to give 30 minutes maximum allowed runtime, and then estimated runtime is about 10 minutes. And then next, and then close, and then click on next, and then the close. You can see here that this is the application we created, install FileZilla using PSADT. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to distribute this application. Right click and distribute content, and then click on next, and then click on next, and then I'm going to click on add, and my distribution point is SCCM.techsite.org. Click OK and click on next, click on next, and then close. So we need to wait for a few seconds before it turns green. Right click and refresh, right click and refresh, and then I'm going to stop the video. I'll come back once it is green. It is green now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click again here, and then I'm going to deploy. Okay, so I have to select a collection, and I'm going to select the device collection, and I have a device collection Windows 10 and 11, and I'm going to select this one, and then click OK, and then click on next, and click on next, and then action install, and then I'm going to be required, okay, forcefully I'm going to install. Next, and then as soon as possible it should be available, and then click here, and then I'm clicking here for software installation, display in software center and show all notifications. Next, 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 and then close. The next thing is I'm going to log into my Windows 10 computer, make sure it is installing or not. Okay, I'm going to minimize this, and this is my Windows 10 computer. Double click. This is my beautiful desktop of Windows 10. So you can see already it is started coming here. The FileZilla, the FTP client 3.6.9.3. Okay, and I'm clicking install. Boom, it's installing now. The installation is complete. Close this one. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go and check here FileZilla, search FileZilla. It's already installed here, and then if you have a trouble installing it, you can go here to the software center, and then you can check here, okay, updates, and then application, you can check here. Otherwise you need to go to the control panel, okay, of your the desktop computer, and then you need to click on configuration management, and then you need to click on action, and then you can click here machine policy retrieval and evaluation cycle, and you can run it, and it will expedite the process. Okay, just a recap of what we did in this video is that we packaged the application in SCCM, distributed and deployed. Finally, we verified it has been installed successfully in Windows machine. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.